Fact 10. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dornium. What if aging wasn't permanent? Meet the immortal jellyfish, a tiny sea creature that has cracked the code to biological immortality. When injured or aging, this jellyfish transforms back into its juvenile form, essentially reversing its life cycle. It can do this over and over again, making it potentially immortal, at least in theory. Scientists are studying its unique ability in hopes of unlocking the secrets of aging and longevity for humans. Could this jellyfish hold the key to eternal youth? The mystery continues. Fact 9. The exploding ants, Colobopsis explodens. These ants take self-sacrifice to the extreme because when under attack, they literally explode. If threatened, these ants rupture their own bodies, releasing a sticky, toxic substance that traps and repels predators. This ultimate act of self-destruction protects their colony, but comes at the cost of their own lives. Scientists call them suicide bombers of the insect world. It's one of the most shocking and brutal survival strategies in nature. Fact 8. The octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. And here's why. Unlike humans, they have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to their gills, while the third circulates it through the body. Their blood isn't red, it's blue, thanks to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which helps them survive in deep, low-oxygen waters. And if that wasn't impressive enough, octopuses are master escape artists. They can squeeze through tiny openings and even solve complex puzzles. With intelligence, adaptability, and an almost alien-like biology, octopuses might just be the closest thing to real-life sea aliens. Fact 7. The most indestructible creature, tardigrades. Also known as water bears, tardigrades are some of the toughest creatures on Earth. These tiny, nearly indestructible organisms can survive in the most extreme environments, including outer space. Yes, they've been sent to space and survived the vacuum. Boiling water, they can withstand temperatures over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Freezing temperatures. Some have been frozen for decades and revived. Radiation, they can endure levels of radiation that would be fatal to humans. Extreme starvation, they can survive without food or water for years, even decades. Scientists believe tardigrades could outlive all other life forms on Earth if a global catastrophe occurred. They might just be the last survivors on the planet. Fact 6. The fish that can walk on land. Imagine a fish that doesn't just swim, but walks on land. Meet the mudskipper and the walking catfish, 2 species that can survive outside of water for hours, using their fins to move across land. These fish have adapted to breathe through their skin and gills, allowing them to explore land and find new water sources. The mudskipper can even climb trees and jump. Their ability to survive on land proves that evolution is still happening before our eyes. Could these walking fish be the future ancestors of new land animals? Only time will tell. Fact 5. The yeti crab, the furry clawed crab. Deep in the ocean, where sunlight never reaches, lives one of the strangest creatures ever discovered, the yeti crab. This bizarre crab has hairy pincers, covered in bacteria that help detoxify poisonous water from deep-sea hydrothermal vents. It was discovered in 2005 near the Pacific Antarctic Ridge. Scientists believe the bacteria growing on its fur could be a food source, or a way to protect itself from toxic environments. With its eerie white color and fuzzy claws, the yeti crab is truly one of the ocean's most fascinating secrets. Fact 4. The lizard that shoots blood from its eyes. Imagine being so terrifying that you can shoot blood from your eyes to scare off enemies. That's exactly what the Texas horned lizard does when it feels threatened. It squirts blood from tiny vessels near its eyes, shocking predators like coyotes and bobcats. The blood contains a foul-tasting chemical, making it an effective defense mechanism. This bizarre survival tactic is one of the most extreme defense strategies in the animal kingdom. Nature always finds the strangest ways to stay alive. Fact 3. Zombie parasites that control their hosts. Some parasites don't just infect their hosts, they take over their minds. The Ophiocordyceps fungus is one of the most terrifying examples. It infects ants, hijacks their brains, and forces them to climb to high places. Once there, the fungus bursts out of the ant's body and spreads its spores to infect even more victims. It's real-life zombie mind control, but in the insect world, this fungus is so effective that it inspired the terrifying zombie infection in the Last of Us series. Fact 2. The penguin that proposes with a pebble. Penguins might just be the most romantic birds on Earth because they literally propose to their mates with a pebble. Male Adelie and Gentoo penguins spend time searching for the perfect smooth stone. If the female accepts the pebble, they become lifelong partners. They even build their nests together, using pebbles as their foundation. It's like a natural wedding proposal, proving that even in the animal kingdom, love is a beautiful thing. Fact 1. The snail that can sleep for 3 years. Have you ever wanted to sleep for years? Well, some desert snails actually can. In extreme droughts, these snails seal themselves inside their shells and enter a deep hibernation state called estivation. They can survive without food or water for up to 3 years. When conditions improve, they wake up and continue their slow-moving life as if nothing happened. Imagine taking a 3-year nap. Now, that's next-level relaxation. And there you have it. 10 of the strangest animal facts you won't believe. Which one amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.